topic of the assembly is art forms around the world. Prayer is the exercise of drawing on the grace of God. Let's get impression from this beautiful thought and pray together to start our day. I would like to call Ruth to lead us with the morning prayer. Everyone, please join your hands, close your eyes, and bow your head for the prayer. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom comes. Your will be done. On earth as in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins. As we forgive those who sins against us. Save us from the time of trial and deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Thank you, Ruth. Now I like to call. Thank you so much for filling our morning with positivity and faith. Now I would like to call Rishabh for the play. Take the position for play. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Now I would like to invite Tisha to inspire us with some motivational thoughts. Good morning everyone. My name is Vidisha Vikas. I am from class 3 and today I am going to deliver the thought. Before a child talks, they sing. Before they write, draw, as soon as they stand, they dance. Art is fundamental to human experience. Thank you. Thank you, Vidisha. I would like to invite Ayushi to read the news headlines. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayushi. I study in class 3 and I'm going to deliver us news. India's tiger population in 2023 is 3,167. Prime Minister calls it matter of pride in Mysore. Voting cause of soul searching after capital's third defeat in a row. Thank you. Thank you, Ayushi. Now I request Kartik to speak on the topic.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kartik Singh and I am in the school. Art is an example field that fields and around several areas. People interpret it as per their understanding, but it will not be wrong to say that art means transferring artists' imagination from their minds to canvas. canvas, screen, books or other platforms. Art is all about creativity and it has no. It is a medium in which artists describe and convey in their emotions. It is a means of expressing oneself. Some of the popular art forms around the world are theater, dancing, painting, creating stories, photos, and photography, sculptures, etc. Thank you.
Now I would like to contribute by